To review images from the clipboard, press the pointer button, then use your trackball to move to the desired image or recording. Press Set. Now your image or recording is displayed. If you would like to delete, use your pointer to select the trash can icon. Press Set. If you want to delete the selected image or recording, press Yes. When your exam is complete, select End Exam on the touchscreen. Here you can review your images. To review an image in full screen, double-click Set on the desired image or recording. To delete a single image or recording, tap Set on the image and then press the Delete button. To delete multiple images or recordings, press Set on each one, then press Delete. Select End Current Patient to end and store the exam. If you would like to add a new exam to an existing patient or review a previous exam stored to the hard drive, input the patient ID on the patient screen. The patient information will populate at the bottom of the monitor. Here you will see the option to add a new exam. If you would like to review a previous exam, double-click on the patient, then double-click on the desired exam. You will now see images previously taken. Double-click the image if you would like to see it in full screen. To send images individually to a USB while in an active exam, select one of your configured P buttons. The End Exam button on the touchscreen or the active image icon on the right side of the monitor will allow you to save selected images to your USB as a folder. Select the images you would like to save using your Set button, or press the Select All button on the touchscreen to select all of your images. Select Save As to store the images, in JPEG and WMV for easy transfer onto a computer. You can name the folder and then press Save. Press Send to send to a network's PACS destination. To manage the hard drive, go to the patient screen. Here you can delete exams from the hard drive by selecting the patient exam, then selecting the Delete button. This can only be done with users that have admin rights. To delete multiple studies at once, select the top patient, then select the bottom patient after pushing Shift on your keyboard. This will highlight all the patients you'd like to delete. Select Delete and OK. You can also use the Control button to select multiple exams non-sequentially. Then press Delete and OK. To power off, press the Power button, then use your trackball to shut down the system using your Set button.